Unlock the magic of divisibility with QMaths. Can you check a huge number is divisible by 7 in just a few seconds? With 13, 17, 19 and even 37 without long division. Welcome to QMath, where mathematics becomes fast, smart and magical. Hello everyone, I am from QMath and today I am going to show you one amazing shortcut technique that can instantly test divisibility for numbers like 3, 7, 37, 29, 31, 37 and many more. And the best part is we can use just one simple method using something called the Q numbers. The idea is very simple. For every division, we assign a special number called the Q numbers. Then we repeatedly separate the last digit, multiply it with Q number, and add or subtract from the remaining number. If the final answer becomes divisible by the original divisor, then the original number is also divisible. Let us see how powerful this is. Divisible by 7. The Q number of 7 is minus 2. For example, 4582, take the last digit 2 and multiply by minus 2. It comes minus 4. Now subtract the remaining number. 458 minus 4, it comes 454. Now again 4 into minus 2 is equal to minus 8. Is 37 divisible by 7? No, it means 4582 is not divisible by 7. Now take another example of 7. Take 75,222. 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 4. 7,522 minus 4 is equal to 7,518. Now 8 into minus 2, it comes minus 16. So 7,651 minus 16, it comes 735. So 5 into minus 2 again is equal to minus 10. So 73 minus 10 is equal to 63. And 63 is divisible by 7. So it means 75,222 is also divisible by 7. Now take another example. Divisible by 13. The Q number for 13 is plus 4. For example, 5,317. 7 into 4 is equal to 28. 531 plus 28 is equal to 559. So 9 into 4 is equal to 36. So 55 minus plus 36, it comes 91. So 1 into 4 is equal to 4. So 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. And 13 is also divisible by 13. It means 5,317 is divisible by 13. Now take another example. Divisibility by 17. The Q number for 17 is minus 5. For example, 35,938. We take the example of this. 8 into minus 5 is equal to minus 40. So 3593 minus 40 is 3,553. So 3 into minus 5, it comes 15, minus 15. So 355 minus 15 is equal to 340. So 0 into minus 5, it comes 0. So 34 plus 0 is equal to 34. And 34 is divisible by 17. It means 35,938 is divisible by 17. So quick two number table. 19 is plus 2. For 23 it is plus 7. For 29 it is plus 3. For 31 it is minus 3. For 37 it is minus 11. And 41 it is minus 4. You can use exactly the same method for all these numbers. Only the Q number changes. Why this method matters? This technique is extremely useful for mental math. Second, competitive exams. Third, fast calculation. Improving number sense. And last but not the least, building mathematical confidence. Instead of fearing large numbers, you can start playing with them. So at QMass, we believe mathematics should be understood, enjoyed, and mastered, not memorized blindly. If you enjoyed these tricks, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who thinks math is very difficult. And if you want to learn more amazing shortcuts, Vedic math techniques, and mental calculation methods, you can join QMass today. You can visit our website www.qmass.com or join our email info@qmass.com. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye. Take care.